Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a timestamp to your edit on Capcut. So here I've already opened my edit and I want to add a timestamp to it. So what you guys need to do is go to text and find the text template feature, and in here swipe the category until you find time. Click on that, and after that you'll see a bunch of timestamp options that you can select. You can choose from this which one that you think fits your edit the best. So for example, I want to add the simple timestamp in here. Then you can just click on the text, double tap the text to edit the time. Okay, so just change, for example, I'm going to change to today's date, like this, and after that go back and click on a check icon. Then you can place it in anywhere you want the timestamp. I'm going to place it in the bottom like this, and to apply it to all of my clip, just drag the timestamp like this. Okay, after that you are done and the timestamp will be there in your edit. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and also don't forget to click on the thanks button. Bye.